Hey, I'm Evan. Today I'm going to tell you what to do and what not to do to achieve the perfect brew using your Pipamoka. When preparing a Pipamoka, it is important to make sure that all the water in the water chamber has passed through the filter to get a great extraction. If there is any water left above the filter basket after the chamber has fully risen, try twisting the water chamber more slowly next time. The ideal speed for twisting is about a half turn per second. Another solution might be that you need to use a coarser grind in the filter basket. This will ensure that all the water is able to pass through the filter basket. The best grind for the Pipamoka is a medium coarse grind, about the coarseness between what you would normally use for drip coffee and French press. For the best flavor, grind your coffee beans right before you start brewing with your Pipamoka. Using the brush, clean any excess grinds from the rim of the filter basket to ensure a proper seal. If the water chamber starts to turn during the twist, wait a few seconds for the vacuum pressure to decrease. Another solution might be that you need to use a coarser grind in the filter basket. If this is happening every time you brew with your Pipamoka, increase your wait time between when the filter basket has fully descended to when you start twisting the control ring. Once the filter basket has fully descended to the bottom of the water chamber, lightly tap the bottom of the mug to remove any extra air pockets. Then wait 40 seconds to 1 minute before starting to turn the control ring. We recommend cleaning the Pipamoka after every use.